guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am so super excited about this video, but first, before we get started, I want to tell you guys what I have in my hair currently. So I shampooed and conditioned with the Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Nourish and Shine shampoo, and then I used the Moisture Miracle Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore Conditioner. This is the chocolate conditioner and I love it. So these are the products that I use to shampoo and condition. Okay. Alright, and then the leave-in that I have in my hair is the Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. So this is what I currently have in my hair. So my hair is wet right now with the leave-in conditioner in. I have my water bottle on hand to spray any sections of my hair that are drying out. And the star of the show is going to be the Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. So this is a 3-in-1 curl training system. It defines curl pattern, molds and holds shape, hydrates and adds shine, defines and elongates natural coil and curl patterns. So this is the product here. This is a new product from African Pride, you guys. But let's go ahead and give it a, see how it, oh, it's very creamy. Okay, it's more on the creamier side for me. It smells really good on the hair. So this is supposed to define the curls. So we're going to be using it in a wash and go today. So I'm super excited to be trying this product on a wash and go. We're going to see what it does to my hair. Oh, I already see something now. Okay, all right. All right, you guys, so I'm going to read the instructions on the product. It says, apply to small sections of clean, wet hair. Smooth onto hair in a downward motion. Follow immediately with a dimming brush or comb to define each section. Scrunch, coils, and curls as needed. Allow to air dry or sit under a hooded dryer. So we're gonna follow those instructions. First, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with my process, and then we're gonna go behind that with the dimming brush. So we'll compare the two and see how it does. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I sectioned off a section of my hair and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel and cream to my hair. My hair is soaking wet, okay? I did spray this section down with some water. I wanted to make sure that, you know, I had enough water on the hair so that the product can glide nicely onto the hair as it is. And this product is like right in the middle of a gel and then a cream. So, like if you were to put the two together, it's like right in the middle. You know how gel is just it holds really well, and then a cream, you know, you can get some definition from a cream, but you don't necessarily get all of the hold. This is like right, and it's like merging the two, okay? It's like getting the best of both worlds, you know what I mean? So yeah, now so I showed you guys my shingling method, my finger rake method. Now I'm using the dimming brush, and I didn't really like the results from the dimming brush. I love to use my fingers because they allow my curls to clump up a little bit more. I probably used a dimming brush. I think it was a 9-row dimming brush. I think I should have used like a 7-row dimming brush. I don't know, but it separated my hair a little too much. And so I'm going back here and clumping up my curls and defining them. You guys know that I use the finger rake method, separate finger rake, and that just works so good for my hair. So I'm going to go on to the next section, do the same thing. I'm going to saturate it with some water, and then I'm going to apply the product. You guys, I need to redo my color. It's like turning sky blue. So yes, but anyway, I'm going to detangle my hair with the dimming brush and then go straight in with the product and start raking it through my hair. As you can see, I'm starting off with a small amount of the product, but then I have to go back and add a little bit more. I have to say that I did add a lot of this product, and it could be I'm heavy-handed, period, with all my products. I am heavy-handed. So you may not even need this much, but on the longer sections of my hair, I'm kind of separating it, and then I'm not finger coiling it, but just kind of pulling the hair down in a downward motion like the directions say, and just kind of clumping the sections together, and it's giving me the curls that I want. So I'm loving the way that these curls look. You guys know that with the gel, you know, I like to get my roots. I love when my roots are nice and smooth, and when, you know, the product can smooth out my roots. So I'm just applying the product to my roots here. It doesn't smooth it out as much as just a gel would, but it's giving me enough, okay? And I like this because it allows me to have a lot more volume. So when using just a gel, it kind of takes that volume away from my hair. So as you can see, when my hair is wet, I still have a bit of fullness. And then I'm just continuing here to separate the hair on those longer sections of my hair. And I just want to show you guys my crown area. Y'all, I got to finger coil the crown because it just be straight and coarse. That's it. Straight and coarse. Okay. It does not act like the other parts of my hair. So I'm done with all of my hair. You guys know I got to shake. Okay. If you've been watching me for a while, shaking is just a part of a wash and go, period. And here I am showing you guys my length. Shrinkage is real. Okay, she got a little bit of hang time there. But I'm gonna let this air dry and come back. And this is what it looks like once I've air dried it. And I continue to shake my hair through the air dry process. So I just kind of like every once in a while shook it and it kept those curls kind of separated. So when I say volume, here I am trying to get the volume. And the great thing about this product is that it does allow me to have volume. So if I use just a gel, it's not going to be able to raise up like this. But I love the fact that my roots are kind of free and they're able to give me the volume I want in a wash and go on day one hair anyway. So I'm just using my pick to create more volume, to create the shape that I want, that tapered shape. And yeah, as you can see, guys, this is like, you know, work, honey, to get that shape that you want. But this is what I have come out with, you guys, and I am absolutely in love. So let me just explain to you guys how my hair feels at the moment. So you see it has a little bit of volume. It's kind of moving, girl. So it's not really crunchy or anything like that, but it definitely has a hold, and I can see this wash and go lasting, you know, a good week if I use my mini pineapple method. My hair has some great shine to it. I don't know if you can tell because I have the sky blue color, which kind of looks a little dull, but if you kind of look at the black areas, it doesn't look dull. It doesn't look dry. It feels very moisturized and hydrated. So all in all, I like the product. I love the product, and I can see myself using it again on another wash and go. I can actually see myself using this as well on twist outs and bantu knot outs and things like that. So I think it's a great product. I think it's a good merge for a gel and a cream. I think it's like right in the middle, the perfect blend. So you can get the best of both worlds. You can get the moisture and then you can get the hold, the shine, the definition. So let me know what you guys think about the style. I haven't done a wash and go in so long, so I was super excited to bring this to you guys. So yeah, let me know what you think. Please check the description box for information on where you can get this Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream by African Pride. I will have all that information down there for you guys. And I will talk to you guys in the comment section below. Bye.